Priyasoyam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetra Militas Tataham Saradha Taridam Ubaya Sangamasukam Tatapyanta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe Madhura Murali Panchamajushe Manome Kalindi Pulina Manome Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Sprihayati Yamuna Pulina. There's some bhajan. Yamuna Pulina, you know? Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Yamuna Pulina. Pulina means the banks of. So Rupa Goswami, it's the same thing. He's talking about a river. In the love poem it talks about the river, and it talks about Chaitra Mas, and it talks about, so here he's talking about Kalindi, and he's talking about, and in this love poem the lover's talking, oh now I see my present lover, he's my husband, but I want to see him when he was not my husband. I want to be with him when he's not my husband. So now who is the lover in Rupa Goswami's poem? Radharani. And where are they meeting? Are they meeting in their house because they're married? No, they're meeting in Kurukshetra Militas. Priyasoyam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetra Militas. So Krishna's there in a Sahachari. Sahachari means the gopis. Saha means with all his gopis. Krishna's there, all the gopis, but where? In Kurukshetra. So when Radharani sees Krishna Kurukshetra, then she thinks, oh, Anta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe. She says, Mano me Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Spriyati. I'm seeing Dwarkadish. And somebody says he's Rukmini Nath. I don't know. He's my Shyam Sundar. He's my Giridhari, he's my Damodar, he's my Mukunda, he's my Priyatam. But now he's in royal vesh with all gold and big crown. There's no Vamshi here, there's no Murali here. So that's why she's longing. Anta Kelan, inside her mind she wants to play. Inside her heart, Antakaran, inside her mind, inside her heart. Radharani is externally Radharani is at Kurukshetra, but she's taking darshan of Krishna and she's thinking, Anta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe. I'm seeing this, I'm the same lover, and this is the same beloved, but this place is not the same, and the circumstance is not the same. Kaladesham Patra. It's all viparita. It's all upside down. So my mind, I want to hear that Murali, that Madhura Murali Panchama Jushe. So nice. Jushe, because we have a word in English, juice, Mosambi juice. So juice, it gives some delight, no? You know the word, the meaning of the word delight? Happiness. You take nice mango juice, you feel, nice, happy. Yes? It's called Indriya Sukh. There are many types. There's Man Sukh. I'm speaking honestly. There's different types of Sukh. There's 27 different types of Sukh available to the living entity. But the Premananda is a transcendental, Aloki. There's Indriya Sukh, there's Man Sukh. Like one nickname for Madhamangal is Man Sukh. Because he makes everybody happy in the mind. He's Batu, Kusumasava. Kusumasava, Batu, Madhamangal. He's also called Mansukh. In all the Leela dramas, Ras Leela dramas, and Braj, they usually call Mansukh. Hey, Mansukh. Man means mind. Sukh means happiness. So if someone tells you jokes and you laugh, ha ha ha, then your mind is happy, yes?